In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bass boost in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll walk through a simple way to make your audio sound deeper and more powerful using one built-in effect. You don't need any extra plugins, just Premiere Pro and an audio clip on your timeline. First, make sure your project is already open and you have the audio or video clip with sound placed on your sequence. We're going to apply an effect directly to that clip. If you can see your clip in the timeline and you can play it back, you're ready to go. Next, we need to open the effects panel. Go to the very top of Premiere and click on the window menu. A long drop-down list will appear with different panels you can show or hide. From that list, click on Effects. When you do this, Premiere will add an Effects tab to the project panel area, usually in the bottom left of your screen. If you don't see it right away, look for a tab labeled Effects alongside your project or media browser tabs and click on it. Inside the Effects panel, there's a search bar. Click in that search box and type Graphic Equalizer. You'll see a few different versions appear. The one we want is called Graphic Equalizer 10 bands. This is an audio effect that lets you boost or cut specific frequency ranges, which is exactly what we need to enhance the bass. Now, drag the Graphic Equalizer 10 bands effect directly onto your audio clip in the timeline. You can drop it on either the audio portion of a video clip or on an audio-only clip. Once you've done that, make sure the clip is selected. With the clip selected, go up to the Effect Controls panel, usually located in the top left of the workspace. Scroll down inside Effect Controls until you find the Graphic Equalizer 10 bands effect you just added. Next to where it says Custom Setup, click the Edit button. This opens a pop-up window with the equalizer settings. In this window, you have two options. The quickest method is to open the preset drop-down and choose Simple Bass Lift. This automatically boosts the lower frequencies for you and is a great starting point. If you want more control, you can manually raise the sliders on the far left, which control the lowest frequencies like 31 Hz and 62 Hz. Gently push these up while playing back your audio and listen for a fuller, bassier sound without making it muddy or distorted. And that's it. You've successfully bass boosted your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro.